I'm not sure if nakwento ko na to dito, but this is something that I am proud of and hindi ako mahihiyang i-chika sa inyo dito. But if there's one thing that I'm good at, it's closing deals. Hi, Mary here. Every day nagpo-post ako ng bagong videos na pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ng computer at internet. Itong comment na to, may commission po ba pag na-close mo yung deal? This was a comment dun sa, I think video ko yun about being a B2B closer. So B2B means business to business. Through the years, if there's one skill that I have developed, it was I became, sabi ni, kung napanood yun na yung Suits, di ba si Harvey Specter is like the best closer in town. There was this client na siya yung nagsabi sa akin, sabi niya, Mary, have you watched Suits? And I'm like, yeah, of course. I watched it like twice. Tapos sabi niya, did you know that Harvey Specter calls himself like the best closer in town? I'm like, yeah, Mary, for me, you're the best closer in town. And I'm like, girl. I think yung skill ko kasi ng pagbebenta, it started when I was a kid. Kasi nung maliit ako, di ba may business yung parents ko. Lagi nila ako sinasama sa Lukban sa Pahiyas. Nagtitinda sila doon ng mga native products. So, lagi nila ako nilalagay dyan sa unahan. And then my mom would tell me like, ay Neng, kasi maswerte ka sa negosyo, malakas ang benta pag nandyan ka. So, si bakla naman, di ba? Alam mo yung yung hindi ka favorite, tapos bigla ka nagiging favorite na ganyan. So, ako lumakas talaga yung loob ko nung pag sinasabihan ako ng nanay ko ng ganun. Feeling ko doon ako na-hone, like, hindi ako kagandahan sa batch namin sa school, but I was able to model for, before Charles high school, I was able to, at saka 5'1" yung height ko, pero I was able to model for one of the most famous designers here in Lucena because I'm charming. Pero feeling ko talaga binebenta ko yung sarili ko. Galing ako mag-close for some reason, whether it's swerte, whether it's charm, whether it's skills na na-develop ko na lang. But when I realized my potential as a closer, I started banking on that and then honed that skill set. And then that's when I saw na mas malaki yung earning potential as business to business sales closer. So, nagko-close talaga ako ng mga sales. During that time, bukod dun sa hourly rate ko, meron pa rin commission. And then, bukod dun sa commission, if like nag-top ako, meron pang like bracket na parang reward, something. So, ever since, whenever I see an opportunity na appointment setting with commission, sales position with commission, hourly plus commission, or yung may mga rewards program, kahit gaano pa kababa yung rate yan, papasok ako dyan because I'm so confident with my selling skills. Actually, itong pinakang last ko na company, di ba si LS, sobrang payapa, sobrang gusto ko mag-work para sa kanila. And even then, I'm still able to get to the top. Parang may pumapalo pa rin ako doon. And I think that was the meron akong gap na kaunti when it comes to selling. Pero this is something that I've been doing for so many years na it only comes out naturally na lang when I make that sale. Now, enough about me. 5 minutes to talaga kunento kasi tuwan-tuwa ako guys. Di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, i-embrace nyo yung flaws nyo, but at the same time, know your strengths. And that is my strength. I'm good at closing shit. Paano nga ba ako nagsimula at magkano nga ba yung potential na kayang kitain ng mga B2B sales closer? I started, number one, I have BPO experience. Although yung experience ko sa BPO is mostly on insurance, credit cards, walang masyadong upselling. I worked for HSBC before, and even then, pumapalo yung stats ko. So, nakakabola tayo ng mga upsell, ganyan. But that's pretty much all the type of selling experience I had sa BPO. Nag-start ako siguro na mas mahasa sa sales ay nung nag-work na ako nitong, siguro I would say, mga around 2014, 2015, doon na ako nagsimula. So, I would read books, I would watch YouTube videos, I would watch, um, I would learn a whole lot of things about appointment setting and sales. And I always read this book, How to Influence People. I'm not sure how to influence friends and people. Basahin niyo yun, maganda rin siya. I also read this book about cold calling, how to convert, yung mga ganun bagay. I always wanna I always encourage everyone to continuously learn, bank, and hone your skills kung saan kayo magaling. Even if confident na kayo dun sa skill set nyo na yun, because you'll never know if you will learn something new that you can bring to the table. Earnings, usually, you can start at around $5. $5, good start na yon kung appointment setting lang, hindi naman hard selling. Um, Plus commission. Sa real estate, kaya mong kumita ng naka-early ka plus $200 per closed sale. Sa mortgage, it would be, I think, ang pinakamataas na nakuha ko sa mortgage, although mataas yung early niya, parang $75 lang pagka na-process na yung mortgage nila. So, may mga ganung bagay. And yes, on top of early dapat, I never worked for commission-based lang. Just because, paano kung pangit yung leads? Di nasayang yung oras mo. But it's up to you kung gusto yung tanggapin yung ganung positions kasi it really depends sa ano natin eh. Iba-iba tayo ng face sa buhay, ganyan. Anyway, hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!